Hello, and welcome to the VDCI CAD Teacher DAC 211 Introduction to SketchUp course overview video. This course is designed for anyone interested in learning how to navigate and work in SketchUp. The first part of this course will cover the user interface and how to customize the toolbars and the default tray in SketchUp. Once the workspace is ready, we will learn how to navigate and use basic modeling techniques, as well as apply materials to our models. As we work through the course datasets, we will learn how to use and implement the different SketchUp tools. In the second part of the course, we will look at how to use groups and components to help organize our model as we assemble our community park. Our community park will have objects that we build as we move through our course, as well as objects that we will download using SketchUp's 3D warehouse. This course is a great introduction to the tools and workflows in SketchUp. We hope to see you in our course.